Okay, so I'm going to start with a triangle. So there we have our three segments making our triangle. Now a median, I need the midpoint, right? So I probably have something here that says midpoint. There we go, midpoint. So I'm going to get a midpoint there, a midpoint here, and a midpoint here. Then to get the median, I go between the midpoint and the opposite, between the midpoint and the opposite vertex, between the midpoint of that side and the opposite vertex. Now what I can do is pop that point in the middle. Now I'm going to make that one red and large. Now what's that one called? Centroid. So let's just call it the Centroid. I spelt that right? Hope so. Okay, so now we can look at this more dynamically. I can actually move this triangle and we can see what happens to that centroid. So one of the interesting things is those three lines are always meeting at a point, right? They're never kind of splitting up, so that's kind of cool. And the centroid, I can't for the life of me get it outside of the triangle. Okay, whatever I'm doing here is sort of in the middle. Does that make sense? Yeah. So I guess called a centroid, it's kind of because it's in the centre. Yeah? Alrighty, so that's the first one done.